This video shows you how to use the metrics page to monitor and troubleshoot problems with a streams flow. If you don't have a streams flow yet, watch the video and follow the tutorial to create a streams flow from the Data Historian example. Here's the metrics page for the example streams flow. You can see that it is currently in a stopped state. You have several options on the taskbar. The first icon starts the streams flow. Notice that the stop icon is disabled because the streams flow is in a stopped state. The copy icon creates a copy of this streams flow and saves it to the current project. You can use the copy functionality to make versions of a streams flow. The export icon exports this streams flow to a file with the STP extension, which you can then import into a different project. The delete icon stops the streams flow if it's running and deletes it from the project. The edit icon opens in the Canvas page where you can redesign your flow to get the information that you need. All changes that you make will be validated before you leave the canvas. The notifications icon is used for error notification. The View All Streams Flow icon displays a list of all streams flows in the current project. You can search for specific streams flows, list all streams flows of a selected status, or all flows created by a specific person. You can see the streams flows in table view or in tile view. You can see that the example streams flow is currently in a stopped state. When you click Run, the state changes from stopped to building and deploying to running. When the streams flow is deployed, the data flow starts at sample data, continues to the first and then to the second aggregation operators, and ends in the debug operator. The streams flow pane shows streaming data as it flows among operators in your streams flow. The ingest rate pane for each streams flow source shows the number of events that are submitted to the streams flow per second. The throughput pane shows the throughput of input and output flows if they exist. It also shows events that have errors or that have dropped from the network. Hover over the stream between the sample data and first aggregation operators to see the current throughput. Then click to open the Flow of Events table, which shows the events that flow between operators in both table and JSON formats. You can also take a look at the flow of events between the two aggregation operators. And lastly, look at the flow of events between the second aggregation operator and the debug operator. This was just a quick look at an example streams flow. Now you're ready to create your own streams flow. Find more videos in the IBM Cloud Pak for Data documentation.